FDA boss disputes Trump says no deep state thwarting vaccine. The U.S. Food and Drug Administration does not harbor deep state elements, the agency's head of Reuters on Monday, rejecting criticism from President Donald Trump that staff there were trying to delay a coronavirus vaccine. Dr. Stephen Hahn said he was completely confident that FDA workers were focused solely on the interests of the American people during the coronavirus pandemic. Without evidence, Trump on Saturday accused members of the so-called deep state working with the FDA of complicating efforts to test COVID-19 vaccines in order to delay results until after the November 3rd presidential election. I have not seen anything that I would consider to be deep state at the FDA, Hahn told Reuters in an interview. Trump's use of the term deep state appears to refer to long-serving government employees he believes are determined to undermine his agenda. Hahn said he had a solid relationship with Trump, a Republican whose re-election chances in November had been dampened by public discontent over his handling of the coronavirus pandemic. I enjoy a very good relationship with the president, and I have discussed our decisions with him, and I felt very comfortable and continue to feel comfortable with that relationship, Hahn said. Trump's tweet, which tagged the commissioner, said, "The deep state or whoever over at the FDA is making it very difficult for drug companies to get people in order to test the vaccines and therapeutics. Obviously, they are hoping to delay the answer until after November 3rd. Trump has talked up the possibility of a coronavirus vaccine coming soon, and the White House is eager to have positive news on the development of one before the election. Trump and his advisors are also eager to show that his administration is moving quickly to find both a vaccine and treatments for the disease, even as scientists have warned that time is required for testing. Hahn said the FDA's recent authorization of a coronavirus treatment using blood plasma from recovered patients was not made because of political pressure, and emphasized that on his watch, any decision on a vaccine would be based on science. Peter Marks, director of the FDA Center for Biologics Evaluation and Research, and a regulator who will help decide the fate of coronavirus vaccine candidates, has said he would resign if the Trump administration approved a vaccine before it was shown to be safe and effective. Hahn said he has spoken to Marks and respected his judgment. Trump hailed the FDA emergency use of authorization for convalescent plasma on Sunday, shortly before the beginning of this week's Republican National Convention. Hahn said the decision was made by the agency's scientists and that he concurred with it after looking at the data.